Hey guys, today is, well, first of all, how y'all doing? But today is November the 19th. I'm just now getting home. It's probably, I think it's 3:30 in the evening. Yeah. So guys, look, got our package. I think this is, let me turn it around so you don't get my address. I think this is my dossiers collection. I think. We're gonna put her, let's put her down. We'll just set her right here for now. But y'all, it's so cold outside. Oh my God. Let me shut this door. It's so freaking cold. It's just so cold today. Today was one of those days where it was really, really cold. But today we're gonna go get, you know what? I'm gonna get the dirt. I'm going to get the dirt out of the, I'm going here and get this pot. That's what we're gonna get. We're gonna get this pot today because we're going to get ready to plant. We're going to plant this baby right here. I think it's time. I think it's time. So, yeah, let's do that. Hold on. Let's get this pot. I'll just leave that part there. But we're going to take this. Y'all got a lot going on. My hands full. We're going to take this outside because I did wrap up the dirt. I did wrap the dirt up for, sorry guys. Can't hardly move with one hand, but yeah, I wrapped up the dirt from the old pot. I'll show you guys from my old thing, like right here. Whew. So this is the old, y'all know what this is. This was my old dirt, but I had wrapped it up because it's so super cold, and I'm just gonna get some dirt out of this and put it in that pot. Okay, I think that's enough. So we'll take her in the house, and we will let her cool off. But we have to take that in the garage, y'all. It's cold. I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay, hope you're enjoying your day. Be blessed now. I'll see you guys on the opposite side of this video, whatever day it's going to be. But today is November 19th. I think it's Friday. It is Friday. Okay, y'all, it's cold outside. It's like 30 degrees with wind, so it felt like 15 degrees. But I was just sitting here, I was like, I need to move something. She need to do something. So I was thinking about doing a switcheroo with my ZZ here. She's so beautiful, right? I'm gonna move her over there, and I'm gonna move our pumpkin grass vase that we redid the vase. I'm gonna move that over here. Do y'all think that's a good idea? So let's do it. Let's just do it. All right, we just do it. It don't take long, right? Don't take that long. So we're just gonna move this one over here. I just think it'll look better, y'all. I know y'all probably like, Sonya, you always moving something, but you gotta do stuff until you get it right, right? I think it's just gonna look better to me. Don't you think? Like, I just think it's gonna look better. Because we got two plants behind there. We don't have a plant on this side. Oh, I like it. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. She likes it. She likes it. She likes it. So I'm glad I did that. Let me see. Bring y'all closer so y'all can see what I can see. I can't show y'all behind me today, but look at that. I just think it looks better. Yep, I think it looks better. Oh, let me show y'all real quick. Well, you know what? No, I cannot do that. I will show you guys in another video. So, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is November the 20th, and just checked in to say hello to you guys. Hope you all are having an amazing, amazing morning. It's probably 9:30 in the morning, and she's already up, ready to go for her day. So, outfit of the day, y'all already know, comfortable, cozy. It's still autumn, y'all. It's still autumn / fall, whatever you want to call it. Got my green cardigan on. But I wanted to show you my candles that I did yesterday evening that are done. So I have to label these. I'm going to add, well, no, before I label them, I have to add more wax to them because I don't know if you can see the wick is up here. I have to add maybe about that much more. And then we have our famous smoothie over here that has mango, cinnamon, turmeric. I got to put pepper. We got pineapple, almond milk, and cinnamon. So, yeah. So, I will see you guys a little bit later in the vlog today, all right? Guys, I just wanted to come back and chit chat with you guys for a minute, but my heart and prayers go out to a lot of people this time. I mean, even though I'm not into like celebrating the holidays and things anymore, I just really want to lift someone up and let them know that the Father is here with us all year round, not when it comes to these holidays and things like that, because they're pagan holidays and they really are bought to make money. And I don't mean to offend anybody, but I had to learn that. So when this year come around, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and all that stuff, I won't be saddened. But I do, my heart does go out because I know, with that being said, a lot of people have lost people along the way. And it has, you know, when this day comes around or this time of the year comes around, people are sad. So I just want to say that God's got you. He's got you covered. Put your heart in his hand and he'll take care of the rest. But I'm headed to the store to meet someone. But I just want to let you guys know that later on, I got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you some things that I have picked up along the way, here and there. And then I will be showing you guys a big, huge surprise that I've been keeping from y'all. So I'll see you guys a little later. Bye. All right, y'all. I just want to show y'all a few things. Disregard the bag, but some things I just picked up over time. Going back over there, over time. So the first thing I picked up was this, it looks like leather, but it's not. It's like a mustardy gold color. I'm going to fill this up with something. And I'm not sure where I want to put it. I might put it in the surprise area where I want to show you guys. So I think that's really, really nice. Yeah. And it does have a zipper on it where you can zip it up and stuff like that. So this is really pretty. So basically it's like false leather. I also picked up, let me put that here. Not picked up, but I also I ordered me some jump ropes. Let's jump. And actually these are 2 weighted jump ropes, and jumping for, if you jump for 10 minutes, it's actually the same as running for 30 minutes, swimming for 40 minutes, and doing like Pilates and stuff like that for 300 minutes. So I got these, and that's what it looks like. I also went to Goodwill this week, and I got this really nice crate and barrel. Get away from to mess with my camera. But anyway, I got this crate and barrel, really nice ceramic dish. As you can see, it has a top to it. I absolutely love this. Was $5. So I was kind of upset that it was $5, but I said, well, I'm not going to worry about it. But it's in good shape. And I did Google it, like Google how much they were cost. And they were expensive. I seen it's like $59, $60. But this was $5.09. And I just needed another one because I think I showed you guys the one I used for the paint pan. For the paint pan, I showed you a demonstration of how you use the paint. That is old, and it doesn't have a top. And y'all know I don't use aluminum foil. So I needed one with a top, and this has the top to it. And I really, really like this. I just couldn't pass up on it because it's really good. So it has the top. It's in good shape, y'all. There's nothing wrong with it. It has this top like that. And then this is the pan that has the handles. So I got this. Okay, so like that. So these are just items I have picked up along the way, and I just did not share them with you guys. Oh, I got me a new phone case. Some of these things was ordered on Amazon. I got me a new phone case that's like pink and gold and white and gray. I like that. So I got that. And last but not least, I got me some Nature's Bounties ink. So that is the haul, guys, that I wanted to show you guys. Oh, that's it. Oh, and I ordered me some of these containers for my to make my lip glosses. So lip gloss is coming soon. But yeah, this is what I got. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys on the flip side. If you want to see up close and personal, I'll show you guys. So these are, sorry, so bright, but these are the items. This is the case for the phone. Here's the lip glosses, jump rope, get 2 in a pack. And this is the material of the pillowcase. It's really, really nice, y'all. And then here is the, what's the name? And here is my vitamins. So I don't know, guys. You might see another clip of this video, or I might do something for tomorrow. Okay. What you got there?
Homemade pizza and some salad.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Homemade pizza. They got homemade pepperoni pizza by who? Who made it? Who made it, Mari?
No.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Here's the other homemade pizza, y'all. This is just has mushrooms, vegan mozzarella cheese, and that's it. Garlic, and that's it. Hey guys, new day, new time, new sandbox. What about that? Okay. Welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video, all the videos that y'all seen before this clip, this little vlog here, has been leading up to what I want to show you guys. The surprise. But today is the November the 23rd. It is actually Monday. Yeah, it is. So here's outfit of the day. If you're wondering, she's relaxed. I'm going to show you guys something that I've been holding you get back from. So if you're interested in this video, then continue to watch, because then it's going to be the end of the video. Okay. I forgot something. Have you guys been doing good? Have you been living good? Have you been loving yourself so that you be able to love others? Have you? Okay. Yeah, y'all better get down with the program. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna turn this camera around. I'm gonna show you guys what I've been holding from you. I want you guys to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Share the channel with everybody you know. We're getting there. So hold line. All right, guys. Welcome to the family room. Let me take you guys around really quick. You guys remember she changed out the pampas grass. We switcheroo that. We turned our picture around. I think it looks very much better. Bam! We added our pillow that I showed you guys that I hauled at some Amazon or some other finds or whatever. But guys, this is what I want to show you all. Oh, let me show you this first. I might have to turn the light off to show you guys. But guys, look at that. It has a new facelift. Let me know what y'all think. I absolutely love it. So without further ado, let me turn this light back on. Without further ado, guys, look what she done. Look at that, y'all. Let me know what you think. Yes, she upgraded a gallery wall space. I think it looks very, very beautiful. Guys, it actually made the frames stick out more and just gave the room a better focal point. Let me know what y'all think, and it looks really good with the frame, guys. Look at that. Look how that looks. And when you touch this, it's like you can feel the actual separation from this repost gray paint to this new bare paint. So that is what she did with the wall. I'm still looking out for one more frame. And guys, I absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. But that is what I was keeping from you guys. Yeah, I have one more new thing to show you guys and some more videos to come, and that is it. And I'm burning my new candle that we hauled from Habitat for Humanity, because the other 3 wick one that I had hauled from a bins before, that big large one, it has gone, burned out. We burned it to smithereens. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love it. I love the space. Look at that. Look at that. All right, now, so we're going to end this video. Let me know, guys, what do you think? It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? I know it is. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. I add a couple of clips. Yeah, until next time. Bye, y'all. Love you.